Have you ever pondered what differentiates procedure established by law from due process of law? It's a question that often stirs up a whirlwind of confusion. Yet, these two phrases carry distinct meanings and implications in the world of law. They might sound similar, but they are different in their essence, and the way they impact our legal system. So, buckle up for a fascinating exploration. Stay with us as we delve into the subtle distinctions between these two legal concepts. First, let's unpack the term procedure established by law. Quite a mouthful, isn't it? But don't worry, it's not as complex as it sounds. It's a principle that lays the groundwork for how laws should be carried out and adhered to. Think of it as a blueprint, a guideline that tells us how to enforce a law, step by step. Here's the catch, though. This principle is more about the method of law enforcement. It's about the how, rather than the what. It doesn't necessarily look at whether a law is fair, just, or even ethical. It's like a chef following a recipe to the letter without questioning the taste of the dish. So in essence, procedure established by law is like the rulebook for law enforcement. It's about procedural correctness and legality, not about the justice or fairness of a law. So, procedure established by law concerns itself with how laws are implemented, not necessarily whether those laws are just or fair. Now, contrast this with due process of law. A term that rolls off the tongue with a sense of gravitas, doesn't it? But what does it really mean? Well, due process of law is a principle that does more than just ensuring laws are properly enforced. It takes a magnifying glass to those laws and scrutinizes them, looking for fairness and justice. This concept is deeply rooted in the belief that laws should not be just a set of rules that are enforced. Instead, they should be just, they should be equitable. They should promote fairness and discourage discrimination. They should be the pillars upholding the integrity of our society, not just the chains binding it. Due process of law is the sentinel that stands guard over these principles, the watchful eye that ensures laws are not just enforced, but are also fair and just. In essence, due process of law goes a step further, balancing the enforcement of laws with a thorough examination of their fairness. To summarize, both concepts play crucial roles in our legal system. Procedure established by law focuses on enforcing laws as they are written and ensuring that they are followed to the letter. On the other hand, due process of law takes a step back to evaluate these laws, questioning their fairness and equity. It's a delicate balance between adherence to the law and the pursuit of justice. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the complexities and intricacies of our legal system. Thanks for joining us on this enlightening journey through law and justice.